This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index futures, we are seeing futures mostly higher this morning. Much of this linked to the better than expected jobless claims report. Jobless claims actually declining 42,000 in the most recent reporting period. Also, we did have some record advances in yesterday's trade. Today, however, we are seeing the NASDAQ underperforming, actually a bit lower on the day. This on news that personal computer shipments globally declined 14% in the first quarter, and that is the worst showing since records were first kept. It looks like almost the entire amount of the strength in stock index futures that we have seen can be attributed to the Fed's quantitative easing program. However, there is more and more talk now that the Fed could reduce or possibly end the program by the end of this year. Over in the currency markets, seeing the euro currency advancing, this after yields on Eurozone debt falling over the last couple of days. However, much of this is likely to be due to Japanese interest looking for higher yield, this in light of their quantitative easing plan in Japan, which has taken Japanese yields to extremely low levels. Over in the Australian dollar, seeing somewhat better prices, even though we did have unemployment in Australia increasing by 0.2 percentage points to 5.6%. There is a growing feeling, though, that Australia could be the recipient of some of this quantitative easing money from the Bank of Japan, so that seems to be supporting the Australian dollar and to some degree the Canadian dollar. Longer term, we feel that the dollar index will advance and the yen and the pound will probably trade lower. And in the credit markets, somewhat better prices this morning. Looks like some of the strength linked to the better than expected jobless claims report. Also, we are seeing additional evidence of a overall slowing global economy, and that remains supportive to the credit futures market. So for now, we remain just neutral, maybe just a little bit friendly. Any severe flight to quality advances, I think, however, should be used as a selling opportunity. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.